for they are willing to at least show that they are willing to go one step forward in ending this agitation. So, Professor.
Ya kene karai ban Pynsangeh syukur ki lepan benar Presiden kan NEHU usandi soton ha kejingan lang kinang dalam ka KSU NEHU unit akamat samla pule agitation ban ka kejingan Pynsangeh kinang hutai kinong tray kan NEHU betul. Long bakadau ko bala penlong samla pule ban Pynsangeh syukur ka Jingshah Thngan kadai ka bala syem hadian kejing kerpat kinang hutai kinong tray bagi doktor. Ulong bagi la pensong nong rem bahai kijing ai jengmut doktor kamtam aba pet ka kot ka kya ju samla ki masyatkan mentalakan riau snitam bat kila syakta ka jukot jingkya doki ku presiden ka NEHU ulong bawa la kila pembenaran Pynsangeh syukur kijing ki kamut ba ka NEHU bat KSU NEHU unit le pengkut na Suspend kijing ki dari sni po ya ken beteng ya kijing ki jungki de ka basyong ha jaka ka bagi pelong jing ki na ro report kendai beje step berusan beje janmir aduk bagi jing dawa joki kendo orang sendot kane kejing Pynsangeh kejing ki kedai ru from kejing ailat of inquiry committee jung sarkar pedang agini wat sedang ya kejing toket lor kir kompanya ki kam jam ha ke skol ba NEHU.
The past few days were not easy for us, especially your student leaders and also our student friends who have joined us in this noble cause, who have sat with us for almost 15 days. We are on our 16th day today. It was not an easy one. We have endured, we have seen the kind of expression, the kind of responses that we got from the administration. We have seen the representation from the government, be it the state government or the central government. But honestly speaking, what keeps us going throughout these many days was the support that we got from you all. We all have seen that within this 16 days, there was various representations from the different communities of the university, be it the candlelight representation or be it the peaceful rally that was being undertaken, that has been done in our university, or be it various kinds of musical demonstration that we did. And it is indeed applauding that we did it in a very democratic way. Thank you so much everyone for being with us. We all know that the fight that we took against the administration, it was not an easy one, and it is not an easy one. Because the person who sat on that particular chair was a very adamant person, and he is indeed a very adamant person, because till date, as you all must have known, that we have not received any kind of formal communication from him asking about our health concerns, even till date. The only thing that we see is him absconding, him trying to shy away from the responsibilities from the communities of this university.
We await the report of the committee which has been dispatched from the Ministry of Education. But if the Ministry of Education fails to take appropriate action based on the report by the committee which they will be sending, we will again resume this hunger strike, or we can take other measures, and hopefully the teachers, including the staff and especially the students, will support us till the day our demand has been fulfilled. And as you can see, this Vice Chancellor has been adamant, but we the students don't want to follow his footsteps. So I, as a leader, feel that for the time being we have to relax, and we will wait further till the report from the committee will be sent to the ministry. And if the ministry don't take appropriate action, we won't stay quiet. We will raise our voice, and we stay firm in our decision that we won't be allowing this Professor Shukla to enter in this university of ours.